Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the default visibility of your event on the Google Calendar mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Google Calendar app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the plus icon at the bottom left of the screen. After that, tap on option that says event. This opens up a new event screen where you can fill in all the details. Start by giving your event a title. After that, scroll down and tap on default visibility. Now you will see options like public and private. Tap the one you want as your default. After that, tap save, and that's how you change the default visibility for event on Google Calendar mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.